Hi everybody and welcome to another episode with myself, HMK, where we are currently cold, so we need to split one. Now the red is a nutrition value. Not that I care watching about that anyway. So we're going to be looking at making a new light, preferably 2, because we're going to take the other one down. So base light you're going to need 6, 2 and 2, so we can't make that yet because we haven't got no wood. Bed, what does the bed do? Okay, charge up, restores within your base. Okay. Well, we don't really care about respawning in our base. We want it to be respawned next to us. So we were looking at the fridge. Okay, we're looking at the fridge here, and you can see that we've got enough mass, but we haven't got enough power, and this is why we were going to go and make the solar power to get more power, because you only get a base of 5 and a base of 100. Animal housing, yes, we possibly could remake that if I can catch a flipping chicken. But yeah, wellhead we got, hammer. This is what we were looking at here, was the solar panel, but we're also looking at the lockpick. Now I'm not sure if we got enough on the lockpick, but we do have everything else. What one is that? Iron fragment. So we do want to make a lockpick, and we do want to go out and see if we can find one of those lock chests. So let's go and have a look, see what we've got here. Yeah, we got that. So it's currently really good. I do kind of like it. So I think we've got enough. So we're going to take that. We're going to take that as well. We're going to put that in here. I'll drag and drop that. And now a lot of people said that when you was on this side of the house, your fire wasn't keeping you warm, and they are actually. I mean, we're on the far side, and we're at 4 degrees, so it's a little bit colder, yeah, than what it would normally be. But yeah, what would be nice, instead of this having a curved flute to go out, is if it had one that, if you put it in like the middle, you could put a tall like chimney going out. That would be nice, and then it will warm the whole place. So let's make the lockpick. Let's see what we need for it. 2 wood, shouldn't be too hard to get, and the iron we definitely have got. We could actually split that. Yeah, and we want 4 of those. We put that in there. Sun's coming up, so we can start going out and have a look for it. We want 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the logs. So we'll make the 2 wooden planks. We can turn the fire off. Double check. Yeah, it's 18, not 16. $500 to make the lockpick flipping out. Okay, so we're just gonna have to wait until that charges, because I really don't want to go out anywhere too much with that. But what we can do while we're waiting for it to charge, yeah, got no nutrition. Oh, it's the light. Oh, we'll just take that off there. So we're going to put these back because I do not want to die with these on. So we're going to split, split, split. Split one. Let's drink. I want to go out and get the. Trying to find it though, innit? Okay, we'll risk it. So we are going to go out for the lockpick. Oh, come on! Jesus! Have we got anything in the generator? No. Right, while that's running, I'm going to go out and chop some wood. Bear there. Maybe zinc or iron. Yeah, iron. Get our bits. And we're going to go and have a look for our locked box if we can find it. If, and I'm saying if. Well, let's go out. I always like to tend to go out up this way because they seem to be up here. I think there's a box up there. I'm going to try and find out where they are because apparently they are in set places. But I've only ever come across them once or twice. Not much really. I know I found one by the rocks once. I haven't been up this way for a while. Guess there'd be a wolf there. Yeah, I heard you chicken, but I'm not going after you today. Is that a lockbox? That is a lockbox. We're going to get this lockbox. Excellent. We're just going to take it and then we're going to go home. We're not even going to bother doing anything else. Where's home? Come on, where's home? That way. So we're going to be going home now. We've got our lockpick and our thing. So we'll see you shortly. Have fun. Stay safe.